Welcome back to Amazing Car, where we dive into the latest and greatest in automotive design and performance. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Cadillac XT6, a stunning SUV that blends luxury, innovation, and performance. The exterior of the XT6 showcases Cadillac's signature bold design language, with sleek lines, a refined front grille, and an aggressive stance. Under the hood, this vehicle delivers exceptional performance, with a 3.6-liter V6 engine that provides ample power, seamlessly paired with a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission, giving drivers a responsive and dynamic experience. But it's the interior that truly sets the 2025 XT6 apart. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury, with premium materials like leather upholstery, wood accents, and meticulously crafted details throughout. The seats are not only comfortable but also feature 14-way power adjustment, ensuring a perfect fit. The large, high-definition touchscreen is a standout, providing access to Cadillac's intuitive infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium sound system for a complete audio experience. Safety has always been a priority for Cadillac, and the 2025 XT6 offers a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. With its perfect blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Cadillac XT6 reaffirms Cadillac's commitment to delivering world-class vehicles. Let us know what you think of this stunning SUV in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car reviews.